Leader Kim Jong-un attended the ceremony, claiming the warship's return demonstrates the country's determination to expand its naval power in response to US-led hostilities. North Korea has relaunched its damaged second naval destroyer just 3 weeks after it capsized during a failed launch. State media said the warship has been repaired and was launched in a ceremony attended by leader Kim Jong-un. The Korean Central News Agency, KCNA, reported Friday that Kim oversaw the launch and boarded the ship, telling troops that nothing can block North Korea's efforts to strengthen its naval combat power amid US-led hostilities. The announcement aligns with satellite imagery and assessments from outside observers, though experts remain doubtful about the ship's condition. Many question whether key systems, such as its engine and electronics, can function normally after being submerged for nearly 2 weeks. The 21 May mishap reportedly angered Kim, who blamed criminal negligence and ordered officials to complete repairs ahead of a ruling Workers' Party meeting later this month. State media later confirmed that 4 officials were detained over the failed launch. On Thursday, KCNA quoted Kim as saying the 2 destroyers would contribute significantly to enhancing naval operations. He said the North would respond to external threats with overwhelming military action and offered deepest condolences to the family of a shipyard worker who died during repairs. Satellite images previously showed the destroyer partially submerged at the port of Chongjin. Last week, North Korean media said the ship had been righted and moved to Rajin, near the Russian border, for further work. Analysts say the restoration timeline raises doubts. Considering the time they needed to raise the vessel, they would have had less than 2 weeks to carry out the real repair work, said Yang Uk, an analyst at Seoul's Asan Institute for Policy Studies. Would that have been enough time to completely fix everything and bring the vessel to a state where it's operationally capable? I think that's highly unlikely, he added. South Korean expert Lee Il-woo said critical systems such as the engine room and missile launchers may have been damaged by salt water. He suggested the move to Rajin indicates likely Russian assistance with repairs. KCNA said the ship is in the same class as North Korea's first destroyer, launched in April. Both are believed to be 4,500 metric ton vessels and are considered the North's most advanced warships to date. Kim has announced plans to build 2 additional destroyers next year. The report comes as South Korea's new liberal government under President Lee Jae-myung suspended frontline propaganda broadcasts, a step seen as aimed at easing tensions with the North. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks.